Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. On today's video I'm going to show you how I make my egg curry. I love enjoying eggs and I enjoy them in different ways, being it baking the egg muffins, they are really colorful, being it boiled eggs, they are just so awesome with just a pinch of salt and some black pepper, and you can just enjoy them with some salad, being it the shashushka eggs where you just make eggs with tomatoes, being the infamous one pan toast with a toast bread and ham and a bit of cheese. Eggs are very interesting, but on today's video I'm going to show you how I make my egg curry. So if you're excited like I am and you're ready to watch this, then stay tuned and keep on watching. So first process, we are going to have our eggs. I'm going to be using 5 eggs and I've just put my eggs in cold water. I've added in a bit of white vinegar and I'm covering the eggs for them to boil. Afterwards, then I'm just going to peel the eggs off the camera and then they are here, and I'm just going to add in a bit of turmeric and chili masala, and this is just to make sure that my eggs are totally covered in a nice color. Then moving on, I have 4 tablespoons of yogurt and I'm going to be mixing it here on this bowl. After that, I'm adding in turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm adding chili powder. You can use chili powder, you can use chili masala, whichever you like. I'm adding in garam masala, black pepper, and with my yogurt I'm going to mix this into a fine consistency. Then moving on, I have my onion, so I'm just going to chop my red onion and then my green chilies. In a pan that I'm going to be using to make my egg curry, I'm heating on some oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You can go ahead and use whichever oil you like, but you want to use the oil that is not going to overpower the flavors that you're getting in here. So put in your eggs covered with the turmeric and the chili powder, and here the main aim is to get the coat of the eggs with the colors perfectly, because we want our egg curry to really look beautiful. So we are heating them in low heat, turning them, and we want them to brown nicely and to get the color well. Cooking completely loves patience. So here I'm just turning my eggs until they are golden. You'll just notice the color changing and then you know they are ready to come out of the heat. When this is done, I'm just going to set these eggs aside in a plate, and in the meantime, using the same pan, I'm adding in a little bit of oil. So on my hot oil, I'm adding in cumin. Cumin have a very great flavor on egg curry. You can use it if you love it, or you can skip it if you like as well. So in my cumin, I'm adding in chili. You can also skip the chilies if you don't want to use the chilies, but I love chilies, so I'm using 1-2 chilies on my recipe. Next, I'm adding in 1 chopped large onion. I'm using red onion. Then I'm going to stir this nicely to make sure that the onion cooks. I'm adding in also a little bit of salt. This is supposed to fry for around 7 to 8 minutes. Then I'm also adding in crushed fresh garlic and a bit of ginger as well. I'm adding in tomato paste. Make sure you are stirring everything and mixing it together nicely. Then I have blended my tomatoes and I'm just going to add in blended tomatoes here. You can use canned tomatoes, whatever kind of tomatoes you have. You can also blend your tomatoes and then cook these on low heat. When this is done, remember our yogurt mix. So here we had mixed it earlier and we are just adding it in here, and this is just going to bring the flavors and the thickness that we want for our egg curry. Then we are going to cook this on low heat for about 3 minutes. Look at it, it instantly changes and thickens up so nicely. So continue cooking this on low heat, and when it has cooked, then you can just slit your eggs a little bit because you want them to get the flavor as well from the soup. So I'm just slitting them twice and then putting them in the mixture so that they continue cooking and getting enriched with all the beautiful flavors, the taste, and yeah, done. I'm just going to give these a quick stir so that they are boiling, and you know, they are mixing up, they are marrying each other there, the flavors are coming out, and you can cook this for about 3 minutes, of course with minimal stirring here and there because you don't want it to stick on the side. And then our egg curry is ready, and what we are doing over here is just adding in a bit of garnish, and we are using freshly cut cilantro or danias, whichever you like. And look at it, it's delicious, very nice, served with rice, chapatis, or whatever else you love. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun watching this. How do you prepare your egg curry? Let me know in the comment section, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.